What's up, factions? What do you want to show me? What the hell?
So we can break apart to hear me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy HydroKT, and welcome back to episode 5 of our series on ManaCube. Today we are ManaCube. Oh my god, I can't even say the words. But welcome back. We are on survival here. This is gonna be a little short video because I just wanted to do some island updates. There's also a giveaway somewhere in this video, so make sure to go find out what that is and how to enter and all that stuff. And let's get right into the episode. Alright guys, we're here joined with some of my party members. We're about to go fight Zelra, the boss again. Did I even pronounce him right? Zelra? We got Boba Milk Tea here too. What's up, dude? Here we go, guys. Here we go. Let's just go drop down and hopefully they'll follow us down. Dude, Cyborg is literally wearing no helmet, no chest plate, no leggings. Good luck, buddy. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, wait, what? Did Boba Milk Tea go AFK? Oh well, 3, 2, 1. Kabamo! Let's get him, boys! Hopefully no one dies. Wait, did Cyborg at least put on some... Oh, okay, thank God Cyborg put on some armor, bro. Scaring me. Check out what I brought to the fight, guys. I brought some green wool, some white wool. Yeah, we're stacked. We're gonna kill him with this wool. You know what? Let's do it. Let's get him. Oh, okay, no, never mind. I'm about to die. Wait, can I? Oh, I can't slash God. Slash heal. What? Oh, slash heal's not allowed. No. Oh, that's a rip. Well, we don't lose any of our items, so let's go back. Come on, come on. We'll just drop speed back again. And let's get him. Oh shoot, I forgot I don't have strength anymore since I did not reapply my leggings. But there we go, and then we just bless off him, hopefully. Come on. Please. I can't see. Alright, there we go, guys. We bless off him, and now we're going to apply our overload once again. Back at 3.5 hearts. So that's also great. Come on. I don't want to die. Oh my god, I died again. Slash warp Zora. Please, let me get the final hit. Please. No. My faction members are too OP. Yes. Yes. GG. What did I get? I got green arrows as XP. That's a nice reward. Yo, what's up, Mudkip? Mudkip's trying to fight over there, you know? Alright, now let's go see what we get. Oh. Dude, this is burning. Stop this. I don't want to reapply the legging though, or I'm gonna get slowness. Here we go. Ooh, Zora's treasure chest. Let's item this really quick. Wish me luck, boys. Alright, well here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we get. Oh my god, we got a treasure key, legendary, baby. Let's go. A medium pouch. What else did we get? And 235 dust. Nice. Nice, guys. Oops. Oh, we can't aim that. Legendary key. Legendary key. Let's go pop that open and see what we get really quick. But first, let's do the medium. Alright, 40k. Yeah, we don't care about that. Warp crates. Alright, guys. If this gives us an IG, then I'm going to give this IG away. Alright? That's the rule. If I get an IG, I got to give this away. 3, 2, 1. 2 perky! Oh my god, 2 perkies. Oh, alright guys, I'm gonna give one of these keys away. I'm gonna open one just because, you know, this is some good luck right here and I want to keep it going. I'm gonna open one perky, see what I get. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, I forgot it rolls. Please sell all. Maybe sell all. No, don't give. Oh, dude. Oh, I don't want filter. Alright guys, well I'm going to be giving away this key. You guys know how to enter. Just comment down below, like the video, and make sure to be subscribed. And I'll see you guys all in the next clip. So now we are here back at our P home. As you can see, we actually got some new builds now, so we're going to go visit them. Here we go. So the first build that is new is going to be right over there. Let's just get closer. Actually, you know what? No, let's just fly. Okay, so here we go. Here's like a quick little shot of how it looks. It was supposed to be a temple. This is actually originally made by Santa. If you guys see Santa in game, make sure to, you know, say hi to him. He's actually a really great builder. He has some really nice builds on Creative if you want to go check them out too. But this was a build that was made by him, and then I just schematic cut it. So yeah, that's why it looks so good. I'd never be able to build like this. But if we go inside now, so the only difference was that on the inside, I just designed this inside part myself. So if we take these stairs up, and then we drop down like this little portal area, we'll go through, and then boom, we're getting like a little meeting room here. So I don't know, one day I kind of want to try to get all my party members in here so we can all take a group photo, which I think would be really cool. But I don't know, might not ever happen since you know, we can't get this many people. We can't get how many people? Freaking 29 people online at once to take a picture. So yeah, it's probably not gonna happen. But I don't know, I really like this table, and I thought it was kind of like a nice little addition, and it's kind of cool too because there's a really nice view of everything from in here. Okay guys, so this is another new build that is on our plot. If we go right up here, we can see it's called Welcome to the hold on, I can't see, I'm blind. Welcome to the Himeji Castle, made by Keely's. So Keely's made this really cool castle. I think it looks super nice. I mean, I don't really call it a castle, I call it a temple. I'm not sure why it's called castle, but it looks really freaking nice. You can tell that there's nothing in these rooms because he just finished the house, so I don't think he's added anything. How do I get outside though? That's my question. I want to go to that courtyard area, but it doesn't seem like there's an entrance yet. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's an entrance to there. Okay, I thought the roof was just broken over there. So if we go down, okay, yeah, I don't think there's an entrance yet. So you know what? We're just gonna go jump over his house with our giant boots. That wasn't even jumping. I don't know why I said that. But over here we got some cherry blossom trees, which look pretty cool as well. And then if we go right across, you can see that there's this huge world tree now. So it actually took me around 2 days to make this tree. It was crazy because like the schematica part was way too hard for like the leaves part, so I kind of had to do the leaves by myself, which is why there might be some holes. I don't know, it kind of looks weird if you look at it from the side, but if you look at it from underneath, it's a much better view. And actually I want to show you guys, if we go like right into the middle of the tree and we go straight up here, boom, like look at this guys, it's like freaking a huge mess in here. A giant mess. But I don't know, I think it looks kind of cool, but it just looks like a TNT explosion went off in there, so I don't like going in there too much. But currently I'm working on these trees right here, or these flowers. They look really nice. Hey look, what's up Laverne? But we just have a bunch of flowers here that I've made. I'm gonna probably make like each of the petals different colors to make them, you know, a little bit more colorful, because we want to try to add some color to the plot, or not to the plot, to the island. But that's mostly it. That's all the builds that we've added so far. You know, we still got our cactus farms. I actually kind of want to show you guys how much I get from selling iron, because actually I don't even know myself. So if we go down here, all the iron should be full now. Okay, nope, never mind. You know what? We're not gonna sell. Okay, yeah, never mind. Someone sold all the iron. But the next warp that we can go to, or visit, I guess, is /warp IG. So this is actually like a public grinder for a lot of people to come to. Dude, I don't know why the warp is like that. It's kind of messed up. I like it to be centered. But at Warp IG, you guys can all come here and feel free to grind and everything like that. If you go in here, you can go AFK the IGs as well. And while you're AFKing the IGs, you'll get like a percentage of the iron. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Like, see, like it's just a piece of iron sometimes will fall down. You'll get it in your inventory. So it's kind of worth, you know, it's worth your time to sit here and AFK if you're trying to get some iron and you have nothing better to do and you don't have an iron golem spawner yourself. Then this might be like a little place that you can just sit at, you know, to get some iron. And then when you come back from like dinner or something, boom, you got 64 iron, you know. Oh, okay, I'm getting poppies, I don't want that. But yeah, that's a nice little area. Over here we have wait, are these split? Oh, okay, yeah, never mind then. I guess they split it, so there's 2 areas to get iron from now. I didn't know that. And I guess they moved the skeletons over here. We got some skeleton farms. We got no farm over there. We got some blaze, and then again some more blazes as well. This area right here, just the enchantment table area, but it's not working right now. So yeah, we're probably gonna have to get back to that some other time. So if you guys want to come grind, or if you guys don't have a grinder yourself, feel free to come to /warp IG, and then you can come use our grinders for absolutely free. You know, absolutely nothing. You just come here and just freaking grind all day. So I'll show you guys the person that won the 5 qubit giveaway from the previous, I think it was like 2 videos ago. They have not messaged me to go claim their qubits, and that's how I do it. So if you don't message me, then you won't get your qubits. So whoever you are, you should know who you are if you watch the video. Make sure to message me by the next episode, otherwise I'm gonna have to give away those 5 qubits again. So stay tuned next episode, guys, and you guys will find out if I decide to give away those qubits again or not. Alright everybody, well that is the end of the video. I know this one's a little short, but I've been making super long videos lately, and I just felt like, this one I should just do something a little short, just show off some island updates and all that stuff. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway, and before we end off the video, a little shout out to Night Shadow. He actually made a really freaking cool rainbow thing right here. I think it looks freaking insane. I really want to make this on my island. If you guys don't know what these are, they're just a bunch of beacons down here. I don't even know how much, or I don't even know how he could afford that many beacons. But that's just super freaking crazy. It looks really nice, and that's it. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.